Hello traders, welcome all of you. So now we are going to look how to trade on strong SNR levels, the power of patience while trading. Okay, so now we are going to draw strong SNR levels now and waiting with patience to take a trade. Unlike my other videos, I am just waiting for the market to reach the strong SNR levels, so it may take some time. So I just selected Euro USD chart and drawing the line. So we draw the lines and then we will wait patiently the market to reach that particular level. It may take I expecting 30 minutes to take a trade. I don't have much time to spend right now, so we will wait. I think we can expect to take a trade in 30 minutes. So you can see the market is going up to a resistance, but the bias is not so strong, as you can see. See the market, the candles. There is a lot of red candles formed. So now we want to do what we will do is we will just wait for the market to reach a support or a resistance. It is not easy to wait while trading. The market will tempt you many times to trade. If we are not getting any trades in 30 minutes, I will go for a trade in a weak SNR level like the other videos, and I will end the video. So just look at the market and wait. So you can see when you are zoom out, there was an uptrend, but now it's look like a sideways market, and there is no buyers strength or strong buyers in the market. I think the market will not reach the level right now, because you can see the red candles are strong here. Anyway, just wait for the market to reach any of these levels to trade. So we will wait. For the market to reach, you can see these particular two areas. Now they can work as a resistance. There is a resistance, and if the market reaches the strong level, then it can act as a support level. So we are not drawing that, because we are only taking trades on the strong SNR right now. Otherwise we could have a take a trade. It's actually the market is trying to break that resistance now and to reach the strong SNR, but I don't think the market can reach the level, touch the level right now. There is higher chance to reverse. So anyhow, we will wait and see. Okay, it's coming down. It's breaking that particular previous resistance. Now it's a support, so it's coming down. So we have to wait more time. So let's wait. So traders, now we are waiting almost 25 minutes, but the market is not reaching any levels right now. We have to wait more. I don't have much time to spend right now, so I decided to take a trade. You can see the market is already in a resistance, so I'm going to draw the line and I will take a trade, possibly in reversal. So only because of lack of time right now, I am forced to take a trade to end the video. So in trading, okay, it's reversing. It's a perfect reversal. Okay, it's a late entry. We just want to take trade just near to that particular support, but it's okay. It's look like a perfect reversal. We higher chance to win the trade. We just want to take the trade very near to the support. Okay, it's coming down. It's coming down. Yes, it's getting reversals. So don't no need to worry. The market will go up. It will definitely end as a green candle, so we will win. So we almost spent half an hour to take a trade. If you are trading in strong SNR levels, you need strong patience to take trades, because you have to wait. The market will always force you to take trades, but you have to wait patiently to become successful traders. So with this trade, I am going to end the video. So only because we don't have much time to trade right now, so we won the trade. So practice with strong SNR levels, traders. All the very best.